Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is going to be Patreon Part 7. We'll be looking at My Mini Factory on their tribe. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. We have a Patreon, 5 figures for $5 on our Patreon down in the description below. Please go check it out and support the channel and get your 5 STL figures that you can print and so forth. And the more subscribers we get, on our Patreon, the more figures will be added into, and also you can put down which anime character in our Discord server in the Patreon Vault section. What do you guys want to make next? Okay, so we got Baha Balam. It is a figure, waifu figure. This is I think the welcome page for it. And let's see here, September model, Paladine, the Priestess, the Villager. Oh god, they got a huge back problem. Goblin Pirate, Goblin Hunter for September for this month. Imperial God Miniature is another Warhammer Proxies for it. For $2, you get these two. I think they're forgot those zombie Nurglings are called. And you have the Primarch. Forgot the lot of Nurgles guys are called for it. But you need a good Nurgle proxy. This is probably it for you guys. It's $2 for that, and I believe it's like $10 for the whole thing. For it comes with terrain as well. Creatures Crusade. This is for say a trench war for it. If you're interested in getting the trench war stuff. I haven't played it. I haven't printed anything of the trench war tabletop minis, but I will later on down the road. Go check them out. Gauze Mini. Let's see here. This is August. This is the welcome package. In September, they have also have Warhammer proxies, but it looks like it's the Wood Elves from the Old World or the Age of Sigmar for it as well. They do used to do a lot of what you call it, Sisters of Battle on this one as well. Labyrinth. This is a D&D one of here. I think these are the 5 that's coming out. Welcome September kit. We got some stuff, some Egyptians, a lot of Egyptian stuff. Looks like it's kind of October, November, October. Here you go, September. Hopefully this is a bigger one. So we got some Egyptian gods, looks like it, and pharaohs as well, if you're interested. Quest Wagon, another proxies from Warhammer. I think September release we're getting Imperials. Looks like it. They're big guns. Yeah, it's gonna be Imperials for it. The proxy version. Hello supporter. That's August. Moonlight Mini. I think we're getting undead and goals and stuff. So we have the grave. Reach part 1. Try to get monthly release. Bigger version of it. Bonus. Load well. This is their welcome. Gnolls and goblins. Let's see here. Files are back with supports. Okay. Bridal Blood. I don't think they released a lot of the stuff. There are a lot of undeads and stuff that's going to be coming out. So we have a lot of undead. We have Reapers, Mist Reapers, Dwarven, Astrophy, and Osaka as well. Knights model. This is a new one that came out. I know they had the DC version, the Marvel version of tabletop role play. They have like several versions of these in the past. Back then they were like HeroClix. You change the number on the base and stuff like that. So this is out, and I think it's like $1 or $2 to be part of it and so forth. So the initial you get plus 30 plus miniatures, free 1 month trial for September only. Let's see how that looks. Gotham Miniature Games, STL Files Welcome Pack. RN Studio, we're doing the Krishna, the Hindu gods for it. Primal collectible. I didn't gain more Castlevania style of the game as well. I know these two are. And let's see here. For 10 bucks, you get a lot of stuff. You have the bust version and so forth as well. They're actually pretty good for D&D style games in many ways. Go check them out when you have a chance. Magax. This is another Warhammer proxy. They do mostly orcs. So that's September. Like these guys. I think it's ridiculously cool for the goblins or just not what they're called. September release reveal, incoming falls, Mazda Mini Max, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff that comes out with it as well. Check them out. Um, Gold Top Miniature, another D&D miniature. This is for this month. More horror and disgust. I do like this living armor. Uh, if you're doing a castle or like a ballroom, this is probably a good one to use in the game. Wild Mesh, this is a Slanesh. They're doing the Slanesh one right now for this month. So if you need Slanesh stuff proxies for the Emperor's Children, this is probably the best part. Looks like you get some goblins as well with it. So this is this month's as well. So I'm probably gonna have that on a tank, have them dance around it, or on a rhino. Castro 3D, they do figures. I think this month they're doing the Angel Girl. Forgot her name from Baldur's Gate 3. It's pretty supported. It is pretty cheap too. Did Howson last month for it. This is August 1 and so forth. Comet Lord, another good one. Kurt one. They do their version of the horror angels from the biblical books and stuff. What angels supposed to be looking like back in the days. So you pretty cool if you try to do like go against, like the Elden Ring style of angels and everything is probably good to have as well. I do like this one, the floating big head statue vehicle and stuff. Some of these you probably use them as proxy for Warhammer as well. Maja Forge, the terrain piece for this month. I think that's for the Kickstarter that they have. I don't really do much Kickstarter for these anymore. August and P. Well, they do a lot of like little miniature, like miniatures for terrains for like buildings and so forth as well. Good for D&D as well. Artificer Mini. This is another D&D style. You get 3 of that. You also get a whole bunch of other crap as well with it. They used to have. There we go. That's what's coming, and that's the welcome pack. I'm trying to find the whole selection of it. They usually do, but yeah, there's a big ass ship and so forth. So yeah, go check them out for D&D stuff. War Machine. These are more for like Eldars, Dark Eldars, I would say. They got some Dark Eldar stuff, and they got some of the Raven model too, from Warhammer. But if you're interested on working on your Dark Eldar and you can't get a lot of stuff, like the homunculi, this is probably one of the things you should get for it. Hard Witch, this is another D&D one. 14 high quality. Hopefully they have a whole bunch of other stuff down below. Kickstarter looks like it. I'll check that out. I usually get these guys Kickstarters. They're a lot better. September 2nd. Here we go. Worlds Beyond. They got a lot of lewd girls, just like you know. If you're interested, big old biddies and so many places as well. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day, guys. Bye.